you should be able to make $1 million a year by yourself in wholesaling. I've closed 400 plus wholesale deals and generated millions of dollars in profit. And the biggest lesson I learned, most wholesalers are doing way too much and making way too little. So in this video, I'm breaking down the 5 steps that can take you from wherever you are right now to $1 million a year wholesale business with no team needed. Step number 1, you need to know your city before you talk to a single seller. Most wholesalers start backwards. They pull a random list, call everybody in the city, and hope something sticks. That's why they struggle. That's why it's so expensive. Your first step is simple. Map out your city. Know which areas buyers are actively buying it. Know which zip codes consistently produce deals. Know which neighborhoods have distressed properties, and know where renovated properties actually sell. You should know all of these things. You should be able to look at a map and point to this section of town that you know if you get a deal there, it's money in the bank. When you map out your city, your entire business becomes easier. You eliminate the guesswork, you eliminate wasted time, you eliminate calling the wrong people. This is the foundation of making $1 million a year as a solo wholesaler. You stop doing 80% of the activities that never produce results. Action step for step number 1, I'm going to show you real quick. So you go to realtor.com. All right. Very simple here. You're going to hover over buy. You're going to go to housing market trends. And then here you're going to type in your county. So I already have Bexar County already typed in. And up here in the layers, see the map, the layers, you're going to go over to market hotness. Click right there. Look at this. All of Texas, I mean, if you've been following me, you know that we already know how, bad Texas has gotten. But if you look at it, look at all this opportunity up here. All this red and light red, this is demand. This is where houses are selling quickly as soon as they get posted. All this ice cold areas, they suck, right? Doesn't mean you can't make money in those areas. It's just something for you to be aware of. So real quick, look, it took me all of 2 seconds. I can find out what the median price are in my area. I can find out what areas are selling the quickest, how many houses are on the market. It took me all of 15 seconds to get there. That's all you need to do. You're going to get the market hotness. You're going to get all that information. You're going to know exactly where you need to be. So step number 2 is strategic buyers. 4 to 5 real buyers can make you more money than a list of thousands of names. Most wholesalers think they need a massive buyers list or even investor list or whatever nonsense people use. What you really need is 4 to 5 serious buyers who buy consistently, pay well, close fast, and don't flake. And they always know exactly what they want. When you call your buyers and ask real questions regarding where do you buy, what price range, what level of renovation do you prefer, how quickly can you close, what type of deals do you avoid, everything becomes predictable. You stop guessing, you stop hoping, you stop sending deals that nobody wants. Just 4 to 5 buyers that buy maybe 3 to 5 deals can generate that $1 million a year. When you understand their buy box, you instantly know what deals to look for and what offers to make. So here's the action step for step number 2. Today, reach out to 5 new buyers every single day moving forward to connect with at least 3 real buyers by the end of the month. Using Facebook groups or local RIA meetups and asking them those same 5 questions that I gave you before. After 3 solid conversations, you will understand your market better than most wholesalers. Quick example. One of my students, Jake, was stuck doing small deals for years. He was working 60 plus hours a week, burning out, barely making progress. Then he mapped out his city, found his top areas, found what to focus on, and talked to 4 real buyers to understand exactly what they wanted. Within 60 days, he closed over $150,000 in assignments. And I think it was like maybe 3 deals that he closed. Same city, same strategy, just a different focus. That's the power of step number 1 and 2. They set up everything that comes next. Step number 3 is targeted lead generation. Stop talking to everybody. Start talking to the right people. Now that you've mapped out your city and built the real buyers list, lead generation becomes strategic and not random. You no longer need hundreds of conversations. You just need the right conversations. Talk to sellers dealing with layered problems, not just one issue, but multiple signs of motivation. Here are real-world examples based only on the list types you pull. So probate, you're going to stack that with vacant and code violation. Pre-foreclosures, you're going to stack that with deceased owners. And then you got absentee owners. You're going to stack these with code violation plus behind on taxes. These sellers actually need help. They can't afford to shop around and need to move fast. Speed is key here. 1 or 2 of these conversations per day can change your pipeline entirely. And here's the difference. Random cold calling might get you a $5,000, $10,000 deal if you're lucky. These targeted, layered, motivational conversations consistently lead to wholesale deals that are $25,000 to $50,000 assignments, if not more. Less effort, completely different outcome because you mapped out your city and understand what your buyers want. You instantly know which sellers are sitting on real opportunities. So if you're liking this, just give me a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel so you keep getting all these trainings. And I did a more in-depth training on this. It's spearfishing. Just go into my channel, just scroll. It's probably a few weeks back. I go into depth on building that list out. So check that out. Action step number 3, pick one motivated list. Whether it's probate, tax delinquent, absentees, water shutoffs, pre-foreclosures, I don't care. Pick one, all right? One fucking list and dominate it. I want you to just make 10 calls to a very select few people. Stop calling the whole city. Start calling the right people. This is not about volume. This is about precision. Step number 4, one call acquisitions. If the seller trusts you, the deal becomes simple. Most wholesalers make acquisitions too complicated. They're using old scripts, high-pressure techniques, negotiation games, and endless annoying follow-ups. You don't need all that. What you need is one good conversation that uncovers the truth. And here's the framework I use on real calls. The prime seller conversion framework. Number 1, intro opener, okay? Your intro is everything. How you open up the conversation means the world in this case. If you're getting people that you're calling and the conversations die after 30 seconds, it's because your opener sucks. Your opener needs to be gold, all right? You need to have in your opener create enough curiosity from the seller for them to want to stay on the call with you, right? So your opener is key. Connection, this is friendly curiosity from you. What this means is that you are asking questions about them, connecting them with you that has nothing to do with the situation at hand. It has nothing to do with the house. This is them getting to know, like, and trust you. Now we can move over to motivation. This is pain and pleasure. Where's the pain or the pleasure that's going to motivate them to want to sell? This is now when we can get those deep questions answered, where we can really know what the need is to sell and not just the want. And lastly is the appointment or the contract. If you're getting contracts on the phone, it's probably because you've been doing this for at least 3 to 4 years and you are badass on the phone. I mean, you're just flawless. If that's not the case, stop trying to flex, all right? You're not that good yet. If you don't have that level of experience, stop closing over the phone and make the appointment. It's going to be so much easier for you to close these people in person than it is over the phone. And when you're closing, you're doing outcome-focused close. You're not doing the number, all right? We're not doing this 70% minus repairs nonsense that some people are still talking about, all right? This is outcome-focused. This framework lowers the seller's guard, builds trust fast, gets real motivation, reveals the truth, helps you make better offers, helps you win deals others miss. This is why prime students win competitive deals. They're not selling, they're listening. So here's action step for step number 4. Use this framework on your very next seller conversation. Even if it's today, you will feel the difference instantly in how sellers respond. Step number 5 is high trust dispo. When buyers trust you, deals move fast. You do not need a 500-person buyers list, bidding wars, blasting deals everywhere, hoping someone replies. When you build trust with your 4 to 5 real buyers, you know exactly who wants the deal. You know who pays the most. You know who closes fast. You know who never renegotiates. You're no longer selling deals. You're matching opportunities. Do you see how this is easier? This is how deals close in 24 to 48 hours. This is how you stay lean. This is how one person runs the whole business. We keep it simple and targeted. Action step for step number 5, send this text message to one of your buyers as soon as you have a deal locked up. Hey, looking for a property? Yes. I have a 3-2, 1,500 square feet in the Live Oak area. Interested? Yes. Great. When would you be in front of a computer to check it out? Why do we ask that last one? Because I don't want to send the deal to somebody and then be like, are they looking at it? Do they like it? Do they not like it? What's going to happen? I want to know when they're like, oh, I'm in front of my computer right now, because I expect a response right away. So if they're like, well, I won't be in front of my computer until 6 this afternoon. Great. Let me know where you are and I'll send you the information. This stops a lot of the stressful, oh, should I send it to somebody else? What do I do? This stops all that. And that's it. Then you send the address, the asking price, and a link of the pictures. Those 3 things. That's all I send. If they like it, then you set up a walkthrough. But by then, you have a real buyer ready to go. So let's recap the 5 steps. Step number 1, map out your city. Understand where the hot areas are. Step number 2, build the real buyers list. Step number 3, talk to the right sellers. Steps number 4, use the prime seller conversion framework. I'm telling you, it's magic. Step number 5, match deals to the right buyers. 5 steps. That's it. No complicated marketing, not a giant team, not a massive budget, just simple, focused system that works and lets one person build $1 million wholesale business. Now, here's what I want you to do. I want you to take 2 minutes and take the Prime Wholesaling quiz. I'll tell you exactly which of these 5 steps is costing you the most money right now and how to fix it. It's completely free. You'll get a full breakdown of where you are right now in your wholesale business, what your biggest bottleneck is, the exact roadmap you should follow next. Most people are 1 or 2 small adjustments away from completely changing their results. Click the link below or just go to pwmquiz.com, take the quiz, and I'll send you your personalized score and roadmap. So with that, thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next training.